Hey guys, this is Oniris, and I have another tutorial for you guys on the game called Ktty World on the Ronin network. Now, ang endgame ng Ktty World is to become an open-world pet collection and adventure game with social and competitive gameplay elements. And sinasabi ko na endgame kasi in the development stage pa yung mismong open-world game nila. But they have this current game called Missions, wherein magde-deploy ka ng tamers para makakuha ng in-game currency called paw and materials for you to actually craft tamer gears. Okay? I'll discuss further as we progress, pero to set expectations, maraming anticipation sa game na to, maraming speculation, maraming mata na nakatanaw, mga nag-aabang na opportunity kasi sobrang solid ng dev team nila. And to set expectations, yung dev team nila, they actually created, if you're familiar with the Ronki Rice Farmers game, they created yung staking platform ng Ronki. As you can see in the bottom right corner, built by Ktty Labs. Sila yun. Also, Planet Horse. If you're playing Planet Horse, which is also a game on Ronin, they also created this staking platform. Again, powered by Ktty Labs. Okay? Now, this is a tutorial para mo-onboard kayo on how to maximize yung missions gameplay ng Ktty World. Okay? So, this is the dashboard. Ito yung dashboard. Ito yung mismong missions hub natin sa Ktty World. And para makalaro ka, you need to have at least 4 Ktty tamers. Okay? Yung entry sa Ktty World is a bit complicated, which could scare away potential investors, potential gamers. Pero that is why we have this tutorial para maturuan kayo kung paano nyo mapapasok yung Ktty World. Of course, not financial advice. I'm just here to educate and help you guys on board faster sa Ktty World if you are interested. Okay? So, sabi natin, ito yung Missions Hub, right? Ano bang meron dito? Actually, si Ktty World, meron ng ongoing or meron ng available NFT collection called Ktty Tamers. Okay? And yung Ktty Tamers natin, currently, they're all available on the Ronin marketplace, so secondary market na siya. And ang floor price is 45 RON, or around $20. Pero, paano mo mahanap yung tamer na para sa'yo? Right? Balik tayo. Sa missions, meron kang available missions dito. They vary by the recommended archetype ng tamer mo. They vary by duration ng mission. They also vary based on the rewards and the base points that you get. Okay? So step 1, if you want to do missions on Ktty World, kailangan malaman mo muna kung anong mission yung gusto mo. And me personally would prefer yung mga missions na may mahabang duration. Bakit? Kasi I'm a busy guy, meron akong real work, meron akong real life work, so I won't be able to grind yung mga missions na, for example, ito, every 1 hour yung completion ng mission. Ibig sabihin, every 1 hour, kailangan ko siyang i-redeploy yung tamers ko, kumbaga. Okay? So first step, depending on your appetite, you need to identify ano yung mission para sa akin. Okay? Let's say, for example, para sa'yo, maganda na yung Nullab blueprints. Kasi 24 hours siya. So, once a day mo lang kailangan gawin yung mission or ulit. Okay? Happy ka naman sa rewards niya. Okay, meron ka na mission. The next step is for you to get tamers sa mismong Ronin marketplace. And para malaman kung ano yung tamer na para sa'yo, you need to look at the recommended archetypes ng mission natin. Okay? So, for Nano Blueprints, ang recommended archetype for the tamers na i-deploy mo would be Gambler, Drifter, Scout, and Spark. 4 yan palagi. And the reason being is you need 4 tamers per mission to actually, start the mission. Okay? So again, once na nakapili ka ng mission mo, the next step is to actually obtain these archetypes sa tamers na bibilin mo. Okay? So let's say nabili mo na yung 4. Ang gagawin mo na yan is you're gonna assign your tamers dito. Pipiliin mo yung mga tamers na optimized for this mission. With the recent quality of life improvements na ginawa ng dev team, you can just select best team here and then ma-auto-assign na yan. And as you can see, fulfilled lahat ng recommended archetypes for this mission. So ano naman, kung ma-fulfill yung recommended archetypes dito, you're gonna get the bonus called Perfect Match bonus, where it will give you an additional extra roll. So kada mission kasi, pag natapos na, your tamers will bring back materials para sa'yo. Okay? Having this +1 extra roll will give you more item drops. Okay? Clear so far? Let's continue. Now, bukod sa archetype, you also need to keep in mind yung personality synergy. Okay? So, if you're going to buy a tamer, kailangan mo tignan yung archetype nila. That could be Scout, Drifter, Spark, Gambler. Aside from that, if you really want to maximize your rewards mo per mission, you also need to synergize them in terms of personality. Okay? So sa personality natin, we have a lot of information on the Ktty World Discord server. It's a bit, the explanation is quite long, no? Pero long story short, you just need to synergize yung personalities nila. Kailangan magkakasundo sila. For this team, yung nakikita nyo sa screen right now, ang personality ng mga tamers ko would be Radiant, Virtuous, and Radiant. These personalities are under the category called heroic personalities. So lahat ng mga heroics, pag pinagsama-sama mo yan, automatic, you're gonna get 100% true harmony in terms of the personality synergy. Okay, and what you get is this bonus called Unified Blessing, wherein you get a Paul token boost and also another extra roll for the item drops. Okay, following so far, so recap tayo. If you want to purchase tamers and maximize your missions, what you want to do is get all the recommended archetypes, and dapat yung mga tamers na yun magkakasundo rin in terms of personality. Okay? So, once you deploy them, kailangan mo na silang i-lock in. Locking in, deploying tamers to missions would cost you 0.1 run every time. Every mission deployment mo may 0.1 run. Every completion ng mission, meron din 0.1 run. So, per mission, yung deployment and completion, you're going to spend 0.2 run. Okay? And in a sense, this helps the dev team to actually maintain the game, to cover the upkeep costs of servers. So, maglaro ka na, nakakatulong and nakakapag-contribute ka pa sa development ng game ng Ktty World. Okay? So, okay, Onairs, ano bang makukuha ko dito if nag-missions ako? As I told you, you're gonna get item drops, but aside from that, you can also get base points. Ano naman yung mga base points, yung mga pot token, and yung mga item drops natin? Discuss natin yan. First, base points. Base points contribute to your position sa leaderboard natin. Okay, so of course, the higher the rank you are, the better the rewards you're gonna get after the season ends. Okay, so it could be a certain amount of run, certain rewards in terms of NFTs, and etc. Okay, ito yung mga base points natin. And as you can see, the first rank here has points of 720,970 points. Solid. Okay? So yun yung base points. Yun yung actually ginagrind ng mga players dito. Going back, so na-discuss natin yung base points, right? Ano naman yung iba pa natin makukuha? You will also get paw points kada complete mo ng mission. And yung paw points, you'll be able to use this to eventually craft better gears for your tamers. Later, i-discuss natin yan. Aside from that, you will also get item drops from your tamers, and you will be using these drops to craft gears. Okay? Yun ang advantage mo if you're going to play Ktty World right now. Advantage mo yan kasi habang wala kang open world, nakapag-ipon ka na ng materials mo, nakapag-craft ka na ng gears mo, and immersed ka na sa mismong ecosystem ng Ktty World. Okay? Now, ano pa? Yun lang, no? So, base points, paw points, and item drops. Okay? Now, what's good about what's gonna happen on October 2 is magkakaroon na tayo ng what we call the Ktty Companion Mint. Okay? Ito na yung mga pusa. Ito na yung mga pets ng tamers natin. Okay? And as you can see, once you have these Ktty Companions and once released na yung Tamer Forge update, you will be able to use these Ktty Companions para magawa tong gameplay loop na ito. Okay? So, number 1, ginagawa na natin yan. You complete missions to earn paw and raw materials. Number 2, the next step is you spend paw points or paw coins in the forge to craft, upgrade, and dismantle gear. Na kung ano man yung maka-craft mo, kung ano man yung ma-upgrade mong gear, pwede mong ibenta yan sa mismong marketplace to earn Ktty. So yun na yung profit mechanism ng Ktty World natin. Deploy tamers to missions, get materials, craft them sa Tamer Forge, and then ibenta mo siya sa market and earn Ktty. Anong difference po kay Ktty? Si Po, ito yung in-game currency na na-earn mo kada deploy mo ng missions. Si Kitty naman, ito yung mismong cryptocurrency ni Kitty World. Okay? And that's it, right? Yun lang. Yun yung pinaka-tutorial natin. And in terms of the minting information, you can check the links I'm going to be posting in the description of this video. Okay? Now, kung tatanungin niyo ako, Oniros, meron bang supply sync yung Ktty token? Kasi ba't kami papasok kung meron ng mga players na nag-grind ng materials, ng PO tokens, ng Ktty tokens? Long term, meron siya. Okay? Aside from the usual mission deployment, you can also boost yung mga missions natin. And you can boost it in a sense na you can use PO or you can use the Ktty token. Okay? So ano ba yung boost natin? If you're going to use 2,000 PO coins, mabuboost yung mission mo now by 1.5. Okay? Ibig sabihin, maka-cut off yung duration, yung length ng mission mo by 1.5. And if you use Ktty, maka-half siya kasi 2 times. Right? 2 times speed, 1.5 speed. Okay? So ibig sabihin, if 12 hours yung mission mo, nag-boost ka, magiging 6 hours na lang yan. It's gonna be of great use for grinders. And supply sync to kasi yung ma-earn sa kada boost ng mga tao, some will be towards the leaderboard rewards. So kung mataas yung rank mo, pwede kang mabinyagan ng Ktty tokens na may equivalent USD or peso amount. Some will be burnt, which is yung supply sync natin ng Ktty token, and some will go back to the project for future engagements. So ayun, that's it for our tutorial. Sana nakatulong guys. Sana nakatulong maliwanagan kung paano ba makasali sa missions ng Ktty World. And if you have questions, feel free to comment sa mismong YouTube video. And by the way, meron akong giveaway sa mismong X account ko. Okay? So, I mentioned a while ago, meron tayong Ktty Companion Mint upcoming on October 2. So I'm giving away 10 Whitelist spots for everyone who's going to participate. And we're going to raffle it. And manalo kayo. Okay? So, that's it. Thanks, guys. I guess I'll see you next time.